Bigfoot here. In today's video, we're gonna work on getting all that dirt that I dug out yesterday, bucketed up and dumped out in the yard. So that's all of today's video is gonna be about. So I hope you enjoy the clips from today. If you enjoy the content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Enjoy the clips. If you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section or check out my other content. And let's just keep going. Enjoy the rest of the clips. Alright everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. So if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, just put them in the comment section or check out some of my other videos, or both. And I'll get back with you as soon as I can on the comments. I do reply to all the comments, so unless I miss them or something. But today's video, to wrap up, I'm up to a total of 263 buckets, give or take a couple buckets. And so I'm to a point where I'm going to start digging out some huge piece of iron ore down there. I say huge, it's probably, best I can tell right now, it's 150 pound rock. So I'm going to dig out underneath it and then make a hard left, or a diagonal left, and head towards the pipe next. And then I'm going to cut out a few more pipes and get them out of my way. It's definitely getting harder because I'm having to drag the buckets further through my trench tunnel system. But, you know, or I shouldn't say it's getting harder, I guess it's just getting more time consuming. So it's harder to get 36 buckets per day dug and pulled out all in one day. But I'm trying to stay with it to make good progress. And as soon as I get over to that pipe, I'll be able to fully assess the situation and see if I need to do any more digging, any more rerouting of plumbing or anything to that effect. So stay tuned for the next day. This was day, I believe this was day 10 of digging, and it mainly consisted of bucketing up a huge stockpile of dirt. So check out tomorrow's video so you can see the cleared tunnel all the way to my endpoint, and watch me dig some more and clear out the underside of this super old farmhouse. Appreciate everybody watching. Take care. Until next time, Bigfoot out.